At this point, load up your Arduino software and go to our sketchbook, and I would like you to find the one called transmitter. You can't see me clicking it off the code, but when it does load, it'll look like this. It'll use the awesome virtual library, virtual wire library, to transmit between them, and it's going to make pin 13 blank, and transmit was on 12, and remember that PIR is on 5. When you've got that done, make sure you select your serial port, and then also, super important, switch to the nano. Once you've got that done, you need to send the code to your board, which we plugged in a moment ago, and keep an eye on whether it's successful or not, and that will let you know whether it went and you had the correct port. You'll need to remember later that you're going to have to do your next projects to your Duma Love. So, with that part going, double check to make sure that it blinks when you move, and go on to the next training movie.